yes, let's make this a very simple, very nice casual top. Now I know it looks complicated, but it really is not. And why do I say it's not? Because we're going to make one pattern and one pattern only, and we just have to make it multiple times. What am I talking about? This is what I'm talking about. We want to make this. Now once we make this, we then have to decide how many pieces of these will it take to make a top like that. Now if you're a size 8 or if you're as small as my little mannequin, then you'll probably need about 21, 24, 5 pieces to make that. But if you're a little bigger like myself, you're going to need a few more. So you know you're going to have to make those measurements, put it together. You know, you'll have to decide how many pieces will you need to make your perfect top. And you know, this could be whatever color you want, whatever you decide, mix the colors, all up to you. You can keep it as simple as this, a simple top, strapless top. But if you want to give yourself a little bit more challenge, you might think of doing this. Add that strap. Very simple to add, and it changes the whole structure of the top. Makes it a little bit different, but really cute. Now, here's the challenging part. We add the straps, but do you want sleeves? Now there's another challenge for you. So it's all up to you what you decide, what you want to do with it. Now you can also go as far as to make yourself a dress, but that's another challenge. If we get to that point, and if that's something that you want, we will definitely do that. Now, what are my materials? I'm using a tulip 1.3 mm needle with my Aunt Lydia crochet thread classic 10. I like the small thread because I like my pieces to look lacy, not too bulky. But you could also use a size 3 thread. You would then probably need a tulip 1.5 needle. So that's something you could look into if you think the size 10 is a little bit too small. With that being said, are you up for this challenge? All you need is this one pattern. We make it multiple times, and then we decide on where we'll go. Alright, so if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go.